Hey buddy, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show all my electronic gadgets which I have used in my daily life.
Warning, they looks very simple, but they do big jobs.
So let's go. Firstly, I want to show my mobile phone. Where is my mobile phone? Oh no, Mr. Phone is busy to shooting this video. This is my mobile phone, my best friend, my alarm clock, my cameraman, also my enemy when the battery is 2%. Without this phone, I feel like I am living in 80s or 90s. Now meet with Mr. Laptop. Dun, dun, dun. This is my 2 years old laptop. He helps me to study, like watching YouTube videos, watching Netflix. But seriously, he is my study buddy and sometimes editing machine. This is my mouse. No, it does not make squeak, but he does help me click fast during online classes, especially when I searching for the leave meeting button. My wired earphone. He is like my relationship status, always tangled, but his sound is crystal clear like gossip from the next room. This is my switchboard, a mini power station. If I plug in too many things, he says, "Bro, I am tired. Please give me a rest." My phone charger, the real lifesaver. Without it, my phone is become useless brick. It cries, charge me every few hours. This charger is bigger than my dream and always hiding under the bed. I plug it and my laptop goes, "Yes, I am alive." My stand fan is real MVP in summer. I sit in front of it like, blow me, blow is your job. This is my bulb, simple but bright, unlike me during math classes. At the night, these bulbs helps me to fight with monsters and mosquitoes. Light is gone. Again power cut. Oh, don't worry, I also have a emergency light. When electricity goes, the guy becomes the boss, like Batman in the dark. Thank you, emergency light, you are the real superhero. So friends, these all are gadgets in my room. They are my team, my roommate, my power, my squad. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button or else my fan will stop the blowing wind. See you soon. Bye bye.